How to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn a photo into a cartoon using Canva. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So first thing is you need to open up your Canva and you need to head over to project and you can just select up a picture in your project. For that, go to the upload section right here and you can upload a picture from your preferred, your gallery, or you can also download some pictures available. For example, I have chosen this person. Once you have done that, you can relocate the position of the picture. For example, I'm making it big. And once you have done that, once you have selected that, in the left side, you need to go to the app section from here. And this time search for cartoonify. Go ahead and type in cartoonify and you'll be getting these results. Go to this one right here, this first one with the lion, and when you go over there you'll be finding this choose file option, or it automatically will also detect and it will start cartoonifying your image. So wait for a bit. It may take about some seconds, and once that is done, you'll be finding your photo turned into a cartoon just like that. So that is how you do it. Basically very easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.